Hi everyone, I'm going to make fabric flowers today. This one is from satin fabric. It's cream color. The width is 6 centimeters. The length is 25 centimeters. So I'm going to make 5 petals. Each will be 5 centimeters. It may be hard to see on the camera, but I'm using satin fabric and tulle, bridal tulle. So I cut 2 at once, so I don't have to cut them twice. And then use larger pinky shear to cut them each 5 centimeters in width and sew them together just using regular sewing thread. And I shape the edges with pinky shear, the bigger one, the one with bigger scallop, so they have a little bit of shape instead of just square, like so. I didn't use pattern, I just eyeball them. There you go, like so. Now I've made 5 and they are ready to be sewn. I sew them one by one. Each of them has satin fabric and tulle fabric, so I sew them both at once. Alright, I have sewn each of them and then I sew at the back together. You don't need to see that because I know you already know how to do it. So this is the result. It's a bit different, isn't it? I just use pinky shears to cut the edges. I have 2 pinky shears. One is bigger and the other one makes smaller scallop shapes. Beautiful. This one I use bigger one. Just cut it like that. And the size is 6 centimeters. Each petal is 5 centimeters width. There you go. And then you can put whatever you fancy in the middle. I might cut this. There. Cut it a little bit. Can't really see the shape when you cut tulle fabric. Just leave the rest as it is. There you go. It's cute, I think. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comments. You can also share my videos so others can enjoy it, and hopefully they can learn something from my videos. Thank you for watching.